Good morning, guys. It's about 8:15. It is Saturday, November 14th. Before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Luisa, my favorite jewelry company in the world. You guys know I freaking love them. So I'll tell you guys about it in a little bit. I just wanted to vlog today and I literally just rolled out of bed and I am breaking my fast early. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been eating for breakfast every day recently. What's up? How you guys been? I haven't vlogged in a week. I feel like that's the longest I've vlogged since I've lived in this apartment. All right, so I got this new sweatshirt at Brandy Melville yesterday. I hate shopping and supporting Brandy Melville, but I mean, like, how could I not get this? My name is Keeelaniii, you know? And I worked a lot this week, so I also cannot wait to share with you guys what I have been doing with my time recently. It's quite interesting and quite simply something I never thought that I personally would do, but I'm not gonna tell you just yet because I think I'm going to make an entire video dedicated on it. And why is it so dark in here? So much better. Also, I'm heating up a saucepan. 1 cup-a-rooney of some almond milk. No, 3/4 of a cup, because we're making zucchini oats, baby. Grab a zucchini. We're gonna peel this. Also, I've been getting really bad sleep lately because I have these neighbors. Sorry if I'm looking down, it's just because I'm peeling this into my trash can because my camera's in the sink. I have neighbors that are abusive to one another. They wake me up almost every night fighting, and it sounds like physical abuse too, to be honest with you, and it's really scary and I don't like to hear it. It's very triggering for me and it sucks to hear. It really does. I hate it so much. Last night I was up between like 4:30 and 5. When Justin was over, we both woke up to it the other night too, and he was like, what the fuck is this? I'm like, I don't know. This is how I peel my zucchini, and now I'm gonna just grate it. So it's very concerning for me, and I'm not quite sure what to do because, like, I don't wanna like piss anyone off either. I don't know if I should like tell the management. I don't know if I should go like knock on their door or something, but it's really bad and there's no way that other people don't hear it. It's very disturbing, and for some reason it's just like, it's like scary to hear. I really don't like it. Now that your water is boiling, you're going to add your zucchini. That is kind of a lot, but it's okay. Veggies we love, right? And then you're gonna wanna add some oats, obviously. I'm gonna do about 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna add a few things to it and I will show you guys that. I'm gonna throw in some vital proteins. This one is the marine collagen. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops of that. I absolutely love adding this stuff to everything. It's the best. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of erythritol to sweeten it. It's like stevia, as well as some sugar-free syrup, just a little. And then you just wanna let this simmer on low. So I also added a few frozen blueberries to it because I just had some left over, and this is what it looks like. Not too good, but it has a lot of volume in it, so for my volume eaters this is good for you because it feels like you're eating a lot more, but there's just a bunch of nutritious veggies and stuff in there too. And then I also cut up some fruit, as you guys saw. I'm gonna add about 1/2 a packet of this RX nut butter, just a nice little drizzle, and a couple Lily's sugar-free vegan mini chocolate chips. This is the finished product. It's so good, you guys. Definitely recommend trying this out. I'm gonna go eat this and I will see you in a little bit. Got out of the shower. I put my new hoodie back on, only because I literally only put it on for 20 minutes this morning maybe. I got some requests to update you guys when I started using some of like the Ordinary products. What the fuck is this tag? All right, well that's just gonna stay there because apparently I can't rip it off, but I've been using them for about a week now, except for the niacinamide because I broke out from it and I'm like just really scared to use it again. The ones that I love the most are the other 3. I feel like the lactic acid one is changing my life, which I really only do apply at night. I'm putting on some vitamin C serum. I don't know about you guys, but I always feel a lot better about myself when I have a tan, so I just put on the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. Oh, also, I have finally decided to change my nails to like the oval shape, and I am really vibing with them. I really like them. I might go get a pedicure later on today. I just really freaking need one. So I don't know, I might do that today, I might do it tomorrow, it just depends. I am actually, oh shit, I love the Ordinary moisturizer. This is the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA, but I use this one at night because I use my oil-free, my trusty, just like you can't go wrong with this one. It's just the Neutrogena oil-free moisture with SPF. Make sure you guys are wearing SPF every single day, please do it. But I think I'm gonna go to Target right now because I need a couple things, and I have not been to Target in forever. So I just wanted to update you guys with the Ordinary products. I'm gonna head out for the day. It's about 11 o'clock now. I don't know what we're doing tonight. Justin and I might cook, we might go out. So I will see you guys at Target. Okay, so I just got ready. I just did like a little bit of concealer and just did my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and that's it. But I wanted to show you guys what I was wearing today. Also, I wanted to tell you guys about Ana Luisa. They are sponsoring this video, and you guys know that I only talk about brands that I am truly obsessed with. I'm always gonna be transparent with you, and just know that I would never promote anything that I wasn't truly obsessed about. This is my second partnership with them because I just love their stuff. So I will show you guys what I have on. I actually showed these in, I think, like my last vlog. Like, I've never loved a hoop more than these earrings. They're like a little croissant earring. I mean, like, is this not the cutest earring in the world? I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And then this ring that I just have stacked on, this one's also from Ana Luisa. Love this one. It's like the same as the earrings, but I got this one about a month ago. And then this one is the new one that I have it stacked on with this Cartier. But I can't take this one off. Oh my god. All right, whatever. This one on my ring finger is like this gorgeous braided bracelet, and it just has the cutest freaking details in it. All of their jewelry is so well made. You guys know I love sustainable brands. They're carbon neutral, so they offset 100% of carbon emissions, starting with the source of the raw materials all the way down to disposing of all of the pieces. So it's an ethical brand. They give back everything they take, which is just amazing, you know? I think it's really important to promote sustainable brands like this, because the fact that it's 70 degrees and it's mid-November is extremely concerning. You are getting luxury jewelry that starts at $39. They are so long lasting, they're not going to tarnish on you. I wear my Ana Luisa every single day along with my other jewelry. You guys know I'm always like decked out in gold jewelry, and with prices starting at only $39, there is something in there for everyone. They are currently running their Black Friday sale, so you guys can go to analuisa.com/keeelaniibf, and as always, you guys can use the code keeelani10 to get 10% off your next purchase. So go check them out. I know you guys are gonna love this shit. Anyway, my camera's drying. That's just amazing. But I want to show you guys the rest of my outfit. I was really proud of this idea. That's why I wanted to show you guys so bad. So I replaced the pink strap with like this crocodile leather from a different bag that I had, and I think it looks so freaking cute. And then I just have on my Tala, another sustainable brand we love, and then my Nike RYZs, and then my favorite Amazon Sunnies. So I'm gonna go charge this, and we're gonna go to Target. This is like my first time vlogging on the new phone. I just left Target. I actually did not get a lot, and I'm really proud of myself. I only spent like 25 bucks. I got some oat milk because I have not had oat milk in over a year since the beginning, like pre-SIBO, because I wasn't allowed to have it for so long, and then I realized that I could probably eat it now, so I got some. I also got 2 face masks, which I'm really excited to try because I wear the same one every day. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but like sometimes a bitch just wants to change it up. Oh, this is way too big. You know, it did say large, extra large, and I was like, no, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay. It came in a 2-pack, like a darker gray and a lighter gray. And then I got some more PB2 because I needed some. I also got head wraps, so I'm gonna open these actually. Where are my other ones? Oh my god! Oh, they're right here. And then I saw these and I was like, oh, these are really great. So they are Goody Ouchlets Bold Hold 2 times longer and thicker for heavy and thick hair. And like, this is so heavy and so thick. I actually went in and got another track put in the other day just because I wanted some more, and she had some left over. And like when I work out, my hair just falls out. Wow, that's already so much better. Oh my god, wait, I love this. This is so nice. It like actually is like staying in. Okay, well, if you guys have thick hair
get these because these are dope. And then I just really wanted some headbands just because like it's weird when I work out because I just want to wear my hair like down all the time now. So I got this variety pack of headbands and I thought they were cute and trendy. I think I like this. This could be a look. I might go into Center City and take a drive because I really want to find a winter jacket. It's getting colder out here and I sold all my jackets. So I might go in there and check out Nordstrom Rack. But I think I'm gonna go home and drop this stuff off first. We'll see.
Hi guys, I am home now and I posted something on my Instagram story. This is them. The Smart Sweets Sour Watermelon Bites. Overall consensus, I posted these and you guys literally blew up my DMs and were like, please let us know how they are. I was not expecting that much of a response. Overall, I think they're really good. They taste similar, the texture is similar to Sour Patch watermelons, which are my personal favorite candy. The only thing is they're just a little bit more sour than I had expected. I got them off Amazon for like 30 bucks. So I'm just gonna throw these in my pantry somewhere. I'm like, where do I have room? Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm doing anything tonight. I think it's just gonna be a chill night. I'm like weirdly in the mood for pancakes. So I think I'm gonna try and make some pancakes for dinner. So we will see. Hi, I am back. I actually decided to make some mac and cheese for dinner because I got in a bunch of servings of vegetables today. So I was like, you know what? I don't even need to have a vegetable because I had my tofu scramble, an entire zucchini for my breakfast. So I was like, mac and cheese it is tonight. This is my favorite mac and cheese in the world. It's delicious. They have a bunch of different flavors. They have like a spicy one. I personally like white cheddar because it reminds me of my childhood. Purple box of Annie's mac and cheese. If you know, you know. It literally has 3 ingredients: red lentils, brown rice, and pea protein. So there's 16 grams of protein per serving. Really natural ingredients. I love this shit. You can get it at Whole Foods. It's kind of new too. Oh my goodness, it's like boiling over. Whoops. And like the macros are pretty good too if you care about that, but oh wow, this is definitely done. Also, I eat dinner at like 5 o'clock now because of daylight savings, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love it. It is all done. I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos and eat this and maybe record a podcast. I don't know. Hello. So it's a bit later now. I have just been getting a bunch of YouTube work done. I was gonna film this video separately. I was gonna do like a holiday home tour, and then I was like, I got time in this vlog. Why don't I just like combine it into this vlog and just make it one video and then end this vlog tonight? So that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to give you guys like a full home tour with all of the things that I bought. Obviously I showed you in like my past few vlogs some stuff that I got for my apartment. Oh my god, what's in my eye? Ow, that hurt. But it's completely done now and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna show you guys what I have done. I really love it. I never want to leave. I love sitting in here by myself looking at my Christmas tree and smelling the scent of winter from Bath & Body Works. So let's get into it. So with the lights off, here's a little overview of how everything kind of looks. This is like my every night view. I always have on this fireplace. It's just like the 10-hour one from YouTube. And then I have on these lights, and then I have my LED lights in the back that I just have set onto red. I have told you guys before that I'm not into colored lights, but I love my tree. And then I always just have some candles going too, but let's turn these on so I can show you guys. I will start with this. I don't love this table. I would prefer to not have the napkins here, but these are just like a practical thing that I just need to have at my kitchen table. Oh, let me turn on this light too. Duh. So I really like this. Like, this is actually something I might keep out all year just because it's really interesting. It's a wooden antler dish. I just threw in some pine cones and some ornaments because I didn't really know what else to put in there. To be honest, this is like my least favorite part, so that's why we're starting with it. Also, I will have everything linked down below. I got a lot of stuff from Kohl's actually and Amazon. This little dashing through the snow sign, I think I got it in the Target dollar section or like $5 section last year. And then I just have this Christmas tree, which is also from the same section. And this garland is pretty old. You guys can get garland like this anywhere.
I would like to go find a frosted kind, but we'll see. I will update you guys if I get some. Added some bulb string lights. I added some frosted mini pine cones, some regular size pine cones, a couple little like berries. Oh, that one like totally just fell back there. And some ornaments. Also got these at the dollar store. Down here, this candle, the chai candle, is from Urban Outfitters. I love it. This little house that is actually broken is from Target. The light doesn't work, but whatever. And then up here, we have this little Be Merry like banner, and this is from Amazon. I think it was like $8. I just wanted something to go across here, so I thought that it worked with like all of the heights of the other things and stuff. Obviously, I'm not gonna put anything like way up there. And then my tree, I freaking love my tree. I got it from Kohl's on sale. It came pre-lit and all of this stuff was already on here, like this little, what would you call this? I don't even know. And then these little berries. I love the berries. I love the frosted white and then the red berries. I absolutely, excuse the psychos in Philadelphia. It's a perfect size. It's not too small. It's not too big. I freaking love this tree. I got it on sale for like $80. It is definitely something that I'm gonna have for a while. And then this is the only thing I added to it. These little pom-poms. I thought they were really cute to kind of tie in like the little pom-poms I have on that blanket. And then, oh my goodness, my tree skirt. I love this. It is like this beautiful burlap. I think it's so cute. It matches pretty perfectly with all of like the beiges and the neutrals in my apartment, as you guys can see. Over here, this stocking is one of my favorite pieces. This is like the one thing I'm not gonna be able to link because I got it at TJ Maxx, as well as this blanket. Well, this blanket's pretty old anyway, but they match like pretty well. I've actually recently seen this in TJ Maxx, even though I got it like 2 years ago, and it's DKNY. So if you guys are looking for it, I've seen it around recently in other TJ Maxx's. I don't know how, but that's the brand if you guys want to look into it. Over here, I have these ceramic vases from Amazon, and then I also added some pampas grass, which is also from Amazon, and then these little snow-covered wood sticks are from the dollar store, which I freaking love. I really like this combination. And over here, this was from the $5 section at Target. This was this year, so you guys can definitely get your hands on it. I just have a Bath & Body Works winter candle. This is like my favorite scent for the holidays. I have a fall scent burning right now, but it's almost out, and then I have a couple more stocked up, so. And then one of my favorite things are these little pillow covers. They were $8 on Amazon, $8 for 2 of them. So I just covered up the original pillows that I had there, and I love the red and white burlap. It's just like such a subtle touch of the holidays, and it's not too flashy or showy or anything. Over here on my table, I have another frosted tree. I think I got it at Target. I'm pretty sure I did a couple years ago maybe. I also have one of these Christmas tree Bath & Body Works candle holders, and then I swapped out like the regular, I think I had pistachios in here, with some peppermint candies, which I thought was cute. It's like little things like this that can like just add a little touch of Christmas, so highly recommend doing that. I also have some of those over here as well, and then I swapped out one of my pumpkin syrups for this Christmas cookie skinny syrup that I occasionally put in my coffee, and I thought this was really cute. It was like just a subtle Christmas towel. At first I didn't really think it was gonna match because it was like tan and that's black, but I think it works pretty well. And it has like a little pine cone with some berries on it. And then I just have this little Merry Christmas mat, which is also from Kohl's. This is too. Everything else, like I said, I'll have it linked down below. But yeah, guys, that is basically it for my little Christmas apartment. I am gonna go ahead and end off this vlog actually, because I would like to get it up for you guys in the morning. Once again, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out. You guys are gonna love them. I know you will. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.